there, I've got a very interesting news flash for you guys about Carveco Maker Plus. Right now, until midnight on Monday the 30th of November, and I know in Australia at the moment it's Sunday lunchtime, but it's still only Saturday in America. So this sale is on until the midnight on the 30th of November, okay, American time. So it's the Black Friday sale for Maker Plus, and it's a huge saving. So we'll just scroll down. So what they've done is they have reduced the outright purchase price by $200, and instead of a 12-month free subscription costing you $600, that now is an 18-month subscription. But it doesn't end there, because if you use my discount code, you get a further 5% off those prices. Indeed, across the whole range of Carveco products. So just go onto the Carveco site. Okay, now I'll give you an address to go to, alright, to get my discount on top of this discount. Okay, very easy to get to. You just go onto my YouTube channel page. Two ways to get to it. Up here in this corner you will see a Carveco icon. Alright, now if you can't get to that, and I think you'd have to do this on a computer, go to my About page, scroll down, and it's here. Okay? Underneath this video, I will put in the address that you can also click onto. Go to Show More, and here it is here. Okay, that will take you directly to the American Carveco site. That is the only site that my code works on, so you must go to that site. Alright, you will get the full Carveco Maker Plus discount until midnight Monday night, and on top of that you will get my discount, which I think on this one it's worth about $50, I think. So you know, it's unbeatable value. So there you go. Nice little news flash for you. And don't forget, that discount code from that address I just showed you, that is 5% off the whole product range right across the board. And indeed, this one, they've already reduced it, you know, $200 off there, and they've extended this to 18 months instead of 12 months, which actually works out to be about $200 as well. You also get my code on top of these reductions. Okay? So, bye for now.